no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. Today I am reviewing the hair from Outre, and her name is Bexley. She is in the color 1B, and she is from the Perfect Hairline series. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below, making sure I give you guys the inside look of the wig. It has 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and also that elastic band where you can wear this wig glueless. So let's start off with this hairline. I absolutely love the hairline, but y'all, I've gotten so used to wearing human hair wig that I'm just a little bit more pickier with my hairlines. So this step is optional, but if you want to pluck a few hairs, you can. I decided I want to do that off of my preference, but if you want to wear hair and go, you definitely can. That hot comb is y'all friends. I promise y'all go pick y'all up a hot comb. I do not have this comb all the way high. Again, this hair does take up to 400 degrees.
Yogic.
Now the texture of this hair was silky to me, and it was extremely long. So for warning, you already know how synthetic wigs get down, and it has a certain texture to it. It will tangle, and that's why you need a handy dandy wig brush so you can go about your day. So I am cutting this lace off in a zigzag pattern. Once again, these products have become my holy grail. I love their tint, and I love their spray. So I really didn't know what type of style I wanted to do with the hair. I thought I wanted a side part, but then I was like, So I decided to go with a middle part. Of course, if I would have sprayed the tint a little bit more, it would have matched my complexion. But I wanted to see how my makeup was going to blend in with this lace as well. So I didn't want to put too much product on it.
Yogic.
Look at that, y'all. For a synthetic wig, who? Everything that y'all see me doing is optional. Once again, if you like your baby hairs long and you like adult hairs, baby, do your thing. If you don't, do your thing. I'm just showing y'all what I like to do and how I like the wig sit on my head.
Yogic.
So I am going to cut those so I can make my baby hairs. I didn't want to cut them too short because, you know, just wanted to see how much I wanted to actually use. Those looking real adultish, so I decided to push that back and leave a little bit of hair out. Big difference, right? So I decided to put 2 braids in my hair. In my last video I forgot, but y'all not gonna catch me slipping in this one. So I made sure I put my powder foundation in Maybelline in the middle part of my head, and y'all can see that it's blending seamlessly. So let's talk about this wig right quick. Bexley. She is very long, y'all. If you are looking for a long unit, you ain't gotta look no further. But what I do have to say about how long it is and with the texture, she does tend to tangle up quite a bit. So like I said, get you a wig brush or get you a wide tooth comb so you can comb out, you know, with the tangles that do come with this hair. And if her ends start to frizz up a little bit or get a little thick, you can always run your flat iron or run a hot comb through it. Make sure you guys are keeping that temperature at least 400 degrees and under. And here we are. Here's our finished look, y'all. I would like to thank Outre for sending me this unit. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.